Welcome back to Code and Current Studio. Stage 2 of our keypad series, we're adding more interactivity, a higher-lower guessing game, and LED control using the same 4x4 keypad. This project builds on what we've learned in Stage 1 and introduces game logic and light effects for fun, hands-on experience. Materials needed for this project: the Arduino board, 4x4 keypad, LCD, 6 LEDs with resistors, and jumper wires. The keypad connects to pins 2 through 9 on the Arduino. The LCD uses SDA and SCL pins for I2C communication. LEDs connected to pins 13, 12, 11, 10, 1, and 0 with resistors. Ensure all components share common ground and proper power connections. Let's take a deeper look at the code that makes the keypad operate and function correctly. This section is essential because it defines the keypad layout wiring and creates the objects that allows us to read key presses easily. We'll break down each line so you understand what it does and why it matters. All right, so our keypad code is in this area here. These lines would be essential for all programs that have a keypad. Include keypad.h includes the keypad library, which provides functions to scan and detect key presses. Const byte rows equals 4, const byte columns equal 4, defines the number of rows and columns in the keypad, so 4x4. Character keys, rows and columns, creates a 2D array representing the keypad layout. Each character corresponds to a physical key. Byte row pins row, byte column pins column, lists the Arduino pins connected to the keypad, rows and columns. Keypad equals keypad, rows pins, rows, columns. Creates the keypad object using the layout and pin configuration. This also allows you to call keypad.getKey function to read key presses. All right, let's take a look at the program. So we've got two options here again, similar to stage 1. So let's start off with option 2, the LEDs. So in this option, what we can do is we can hit any of the buttons 1 through 6 to turn an LED on, and it'll stay on until we press it again. And then we can hit this to go back to our main menu. The other option is our higher lower game, which is mildly amusing. So we've got 5 guesses for a number. So what I've noticed is kind of break it up into thirds. So for my first guess, and it's between 1 and 100 or 10 and 100. So my first guess, maybe I would say 70. So we need to go lower than 70. So maybe let's try 45. Lower. So let's try 20. Lower. Oof. 2 guesses left. So let's try 12. Lower than 12. Oh, with 1 guess left. All right, let's try 11. It was 10, which is the lowest number. So we got pretty close on that one. Play again. So yeah, let's play one more time. 5 guesses. All right, let's start off with 25. All right, 52. So higher than 52. So let's try 80. Lower between 52 and 80. So let's try 73. So let's try 60. Let's try 66. 67, almost. Try adding new features, difficulty levels for the game, more LED patterns, brightness control using PWM pins. Share your ideas and improvements in the comments. Congratulations, you built stage 2 of our keypad series and learned how to combine game logic with LED control. This is the last of the keypad tutorials. Next, we'll start a Servo Series with many projects highlighting servo functionality, essential servo code. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more projects.